Hi there, my name is Annalise from MojoDesk, and I'm going to show you how to open up the box to your pre-assembled mobile storage to avoid any damage. Our mobile storage is sturdy and heavy. It's about 60 pounds when it comes, so I definitely recommend having a friend help you bring the box into the house. And then once we have the box in, we're going to go ahead and tilt it on its side. Using a box cutter or a knife, you can go ahead and open both ends of the box, and be sure to do this very carefully. Now that we've opened up both ends, you can go ahead and see that we've carefully packaged your mobile storage, and at this point you're going to want to go ahead and remove the keys from the top. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the box like a door, and there's plenty of room for this corner here for you to be able to put the knife in carefully. As we said, this is already pre-assembled, so you can just remove the plastic, tilt it up, and roll it into your office. After you've got all the packaging material out of the way, you can go ahead and grab your key and unlock the top drawer. It has been locked for safe travels. And that's it. Our mobile storage comes in multiple styles to match your desk perfectly. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us as we're here to help.